people come, all people come, people come and people go, and that is alright with me.
To make a good sauce, just be unique, because there's a ton of them out there. I mean, you got to taste all the different sauces out there, first of all, and then say, what can I do to make mine a little different?
So find your own message, kind of.
Right.
Seem to find, and that is alright with me.
We carry over 20 different flavors. They're either 8-inch or 9-inch cheesecakes, all made fresh. When you order them, we don't keep anything frozen. So you place an order, you give us 24 hours, and we'll get it out to you. We deliver everything.
Come the sun.
Do what you love and you'll never work another day in your life.
My dreams I sail over the ocean, all that backward ocean of my mind. In Mother Earth, all in my rebirth into a life, and that is alright with me. Ho!
So we've been around since 2003. I've been a member since 2004. I'm one of the moderators on the forum. The gentleman that runs it is a gentleman named Phil Rizzardi out of Long Island, New York. We've got close to 35,000 members worldwide now, and we've had about 35 or 36 of them in the Chicago area here today for lunch. We like to visit local barbecue places, and one of the members had stopped by here for lunch, and a lot of us know Roger, the co-owner, from competitions. So we figured we'd give him some business, and it turned out great. We loved the food. They treated us like kings.
Great. He served exactly what he likes to make. You know, like
yeah.
He didn't. It wasn't all bells and whistles. It was just good barbecue. What do you think about him doing that?
That's the way I would do it. You know, if I ever opened up my own place, it would have to be what I want to cook. You know, and the style I want to cook it. Because that way, if you love what you're doing, you're going to have more fun at it.
Cool. And so, what's the most rewarding thing about being involved with the BBQ Brethren?
The people, really the people. I travel a lot for business, and whenever I travel to another city, I'll post on the Brethren forum that I'm going to be there, and I'll typically meet 2, 3, maybe even 10 guys for a beer or for dinner. And I've never, since 2004, met anybody that wasn't a great person. Barbecue people, it's something about the food and the camaraderie. They're just all wonderful people.
Well, I headed out of Memphis, pulling through Chicago. I'm going home to the northern woods. I said, Johnny Law, don't you stop me. Johnny Law, don't you stop me. I know if you could, you son of a bitch.
Because we saw the new barbecue place open and started coming in a lot and started talking to Raj and met him and showed him our sauce, told him that we were competition guys and got in with him with that. And now our sauce is here and we feature it here at the restaurant. Yeah, Smoke Rings is really, they cater to the local barbecue. They're nice that they let all the local guys come in and bring their sauces. Really, really generous with everything that they've done with the local barbecue guys.
It's good to have a barbecue joint in your hometown, right?
This is the best in the area for sure. It doesn't get any better than Smoke Rings. There's nothing in the area that compares.
The call of the bird, or the call of the bird, or the feather down on the way. Kinda like that old damn folk song that you don't know how. Okay. you could never.
What inspired Smoke Range Barbecue?
Good food. You know, there's a lot of things that kind of bring us to this day. Family, friends. I'm proud of what I cook, and I wanted to give people a taste of what we do here. I don't want to put out a false presence, you know, of what I can cook. I want them to know what I do cook. So I want people to try what we do here every day, serve it the way I do every day, and if they like something, they're going to come back and get that item every time. And it's going to be cooked the same way.
I like Smoke Range Barbecue.
I've given back all that I've taken, giving back all that I've taken. I'm dying to live, oh, and I frequently fall to stand. Giving back everything, everything.